Hey guys, welcome to another LeetCode grind. So today we're solving this question called add two numbers. Now this is a fairly straightforward question. We're given two linked lists and we need to add them. So the important concepts to remember is when adding two numbers, so let's say 5 and 2, this is pretty straightforward, but if we're adding something like 6 and 4, well, 6 and 4 is 10, and we know that 10 has a carrier of 1. So how do we exactly do this? Well, it's pretty easy in Python. So the way we can get the carry is basically using integer division. So if we do 6 plus 4 and we use the integer division operator and we divide it by 10, this will give us 1, right? Because 10 divided by 10 is 1. And the way we want to get the 0 is basically just get the remainder. So 6 plus 4 modulus 10 is 0. Now pretty easy, right? So we create 0 with a new node, and we basically pass 1 to the next operation. Now what if one of the lists is smaller than the other? Okay, in that case, if we have something like 2, 4, 3, but we only have 5, 6, well, what we can do is just pretend there's a 0 here. So when we're doing operation between this and here, we just pretend there's a 0, so this operation is still valid, right? So that's how we're going to solve this. So firstly, what we need to do is create a new linked list. So I'll call this dummy, and I'm also going to create a cur variable. Now remember, this is what we're going to use to traverse the new linked list. Okay, so good. Now I will say while L1 or L2, and we also need a carry variable set to 0, or carry if not L1 equals L1 if L1 else 0. So what this basically is if L1 is not none, we're going to assign L1, and what we can do is actually do L1.val if L1 else 0. So this is what I was talking about, is if we don't have list 1, but we have list 2, so we just need to create a placeholder 0, and then we can do the same L2.val if L2 else 0. Now we can just do sum is equal to val L1 plus L2 plus carry, right? And then to get the number, we need to just do sum modulus 10, and to get the carry, we can just do sum integer division 10, right? And we also need to do cur.next is list node num, so this will create the next node with our number, and yeah, so then we need to just do cur is cur.next, update this variable L1. Okay, so perfect, everything works now. Took us a little bit longer than I was hoping, but there you go.